Mm. Hello? Yes, Dr. Mastic. Yes, it's still itchy. Yes. Yes, but every time I scratch it, some kind of flakes or dust are coming off of my skin. Yes, you told me that last week. And I stopped scratching and it stopped being itchy. But I would like to get all of the flakes and dust off of my skin. No. No. What do you mean it's my fault? You know, this is the worst telehealth call I've had in days. Well, I guess we really are dust. And to dust we shall return. See you back. Hi. It's Actualina.
When I was a child on the North Shore, we kept 2 green anole lizards in a vivarium. They were named BJ and JJ. Beanie Jr. and Judy Jr. We couldn't have a dog because somebody in the house is allergic to mammal saliva. All the other mammals besides humans, that is. Anyway, BJ and JJ got along very well and spent their days eating mealworms, molting, and eating their own skin, and sometimes extending their dewlaps. BJ did that much more often than JJ. When BJ passed on, leaving JJ alone, my brother thought it would be a good idea to burn BJ's body in a vivarium in front of JJ's very eyes. Our parents were not in favor of this, and I was on the fence.
Dr. Mastic?
We found a wooden jewelry box that my mother obtained in Greece, emptied it of its baubles, and placed the body of BJ in it. But in the end, only succeeded to make a damp, burnt mess out of some pine branches. We placed the box in the ground and covered it, the only evidence of the attempted cremation being a small burn mark on the olive-colored wood. I remember thinking, would the bones burn? 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 Burn, burn, would the bones burn? Would the bones burn? Would the bones burn?
Today, I'm getting cremated. That means that my body will be disposed of when this body is reduced to ash. Now, normally before a cremation, we have some sort of funeral service or festivity. But I decided to put together a little something different. Today, we're going to juggle. This is Queen of the Universe. We've been spending the last few years together, hanging around. We're juggling partners. And we also sing a mean round. Why don't you start, Queen of the Universe?
What's the recipe for death? Cup of liquor, loss of breath. In the dim light, shines a thick wall of jet. What's the recipe for death?
What's the
Cup of liquor, loss of breath. In the dim light, shines a thick wall of jet. What's the recipe for death? Cup of liquor, loss of breath. In the dim light, shines a thick wall of jet.
Oh, Queen of the Universe. Maybe we can juggle just one more time.
Call up your brother. Maybe he wants to juggle. I'm off to perform at an Air Force flyover.
In order to get cremated, you're going to need the following. A book of matches,
Yes, but I explained already that I've returned to my dust. That's not why I'm itchy. I wonder if it's some kind of fungus. Maybe it's lake rot. Well, of course, if I don't scratch it, it doesn't itch. What kind of advice is that? I'm paying good money for this call, you know. This is the worst telehealth call I've had in days. Well, if you learned something today, why don't you like this video and subscribe to my channel? And remember to hit the bell button so that you can be the first to know when I figure out my skin problem. Thanks for watching me, Actualina.